Hello everyone, we're going to start with question number 5. It states that a particle is moving in a circular path of radius A under the action of an attractive potential energy which is minus k by 2r square. The total energy is, therefore we will find the centripetal force first and then equate with the given potential energy. So we have U equals to minus k by 2r square, which is given our potential energy. F equals to minus du by dr equals to plus k by 2 into minus 2 by r cube. So F equals to minus k by r cube. Centripetal square force equals to mv square by r, which is k by r cube. So mv square equals to k by r square, and the kinetic energy will be half mv square equals to k by 2r square. So total energy loss, we know that E equals to k plus u equals to 0. Therefore answer will be A. Thank you everyone.